Today is day 5 of my recovery, and I just wanted to show you how I go up and down the stairs. So always when you go up, lead with the good foot, and when you go down, lead with the bad foot. So always the good foot is above the bad foot or equal. So when I go up, I just use one crutch, and I don't really need this, so just pushing with my good leg. So lead with the good leg, then add the crutch, then push up, and again lead with the good leg. I'm holding on to this, holding on to the crutches, push up. And if I had the railing on the other side, I would just use, I would just switch my hands. So not a big difference. So this is going up. Going down is a bit more difficult. So notice I switched the sides, and I hold on to the railing with one hand, lean on the crutch with one hand, and slowly go with my bad foot first. And again, hold on here. I push my crutch down and go down. Yeah. And again, if it's on the other side, I would just switch hands. If you want to use both crutches, that's also possible. But then what I would recommend is, I have one crutch here, and still hold on. Like, see, I'm leaning on the crutch, but still holding on the railing, because without it, I feel like it's so easy to fall forward. Because you really, like, if I want to put very little weight on the bad foot, I have to really lean forward and put weight on the crutches, and that's very close to falling over. So holding onto the railing is much better. So either with two crutches, and you can, imagine that I have the crutch here, and then go down like this. But I actually prefer just the one crutch, one hand on the railing, and go down like this. So it took me a little bit to figure out that one crutch is better for going up and down the stairs than two crutches. Actually, nowadays I walk around with just one crutch, either one crutch, or I have a walker that I use to get around the house. But going up and down the stairs, I definitely need the crutch. Though I tried using a walker, but that's going up and down the stairs, but that's very difficult, so I would not recommend it. Anyhow, I hope this was super helpful. You can see I'm very careful stepping down on my bad foot, trying to not injure myself or anything. But yeah, hopefully this is good. This was useful.